Denver Broncos star takes part in first training camp practice despite looming court date on domestic violence charges. Denver Broncos star Jonathon Cooper made a shock return to the football field for the team's first practice of training camp this week, despite his looming court date. Back in June, Cooper was arrested after he allegedly violated a protection order filed against him after an initial arrest stemming from a domestic dispute with his girlfriend. The Broncos linebacker is now facing further charges of harassment from repeated phone calls and violation of a protection order, according to court records. Aside from his legal troubles, Cooper could face a lengthy suspension from the league. However, that still hasn't stopped him returning to Broncos practice.
Love watermelon but hate the sticky cutting mess? This compact 2-in-1 tool slices neat cubes and flips into a retractable fork for easy serving at parties, picnics, or home. Want to get the best verified deal and see full details? Visit grabdeal.us/3 right now.
On Wednesday, Denver head coach Sean Payton revealed that he met with Cooper following the arrest and that the linebacker completed a counseling program created by the team as part of his path back to the football field. Payton added that he is proud of the work that the 28-year-old has put in and admitted that the franchise will see where it goes. Denver Broncos head coach Sean Payton has revealed he is proud of the work that linebacker Jonathon Cooper has made following his arrest on 2 counts of domestic violence. Cooper was arrested on June 5 before later violated a protection order filed against him. The 28-year-old pictured in the Broncos training camp despite his looming court date. "We're staying the course with league protocol, we're staying the course with club protocol, relative to what we're advised to do," Payton told the media. "He's been fantastic working away from the building and will continue to do that and monitor it. We're supportive and very much aware of the seriousness of these types of things." Cooper and his girlfriend of 4 years were jailed in the early hours of June 5 on domestic violence charges. A protection order was then placed on Cooper, barring him from having any contact with his girlfriend, identified by police as Jade Fegan. Cooper was initially held on suspicion of 2 counts of domestic violence and 1 count of criminal mischief, according to Douglas County jail records. The 28-year-old girlfriend Fegan was also booked for domestic violence after what the police report described as a physical altercation over allegations of infidelity against Cooper. Just a week after that, Cooper was arrested again. The 4 new charges listed against Cooper include a felony count of second-degree assault by strangulation and a misdemeanor charge of degree assault, as well as harassment for repeated telephone calls and a violation of a civil protection order. Cooper last appeared in court on July 24 and is set to return on August 31. Last week, Broncos Wire reported, Denver Broncos outside linebacker Jonathon Cooper had a virtual court hearing for a felony assault case on Friday morning. Cooper is key to the Broncos' defense and played every single game in the last 3 seasons. The 28-year-old girlfriend Fegan was also booked for domestic violence after what the police report described as a physical altercation over allegations of infidelity against Cooper. That hearing resulted in an arraignment date being set for Aug. 31, Cooper will be asked to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest on that date. If the case eventually goes to trial, it could be months away from a resolution. Cooper was selected by the Broncos in the 7th round of the 2021 NFL Draft out of Ohio State. He has gone on to make himself an indispensable piece of the Broncos' defense and has played every single game in the last 3 seasons, recording 27 sacks. Last season, Cooper helped the Broncos reach the playoffs and beat the Buffalo Bills before they lost to the New England Patriots in the AFC Championship game. In November 2024, the Broncos signed Cooper to a 4-year contract extension worth up to $60 million that included $33 million in guarantees.